I think I've had enough. Might get a little drunk. I say what's on my mind. I might do a little time. If I go to jail tonight, promise you'll pay my bill. They wanna buy my pride, but that just ain't up for sale. See, all of my kindness is taken for weakness. Now I'm 4 or 5 seconds from wildin', and we got 3 more days till Friday. I'm just trying to make it back home by Monday morning. I swear I wish somebody would tell me, oh, that's all I want. 4 or 5 seconds from wildin'.